Please check out the user manual before use. Charge with 5 volts, 2A plug and original charging cable. Install the fully charged battery into the battery case. Install the batteries on the remote controller. Power on, automatic pairing. The left joystick controls the car forward and backward. The right joystick controls the car to turn left and right. Long press the deformation button to change the form to car or robot. Press the automatic demo to demonstrate automatically. Turn on gesture sensing mode and raise your hand up about 0.5 feet in front of the toe for automatic deformation.